young for this, but too old for that. What can we do? Because we can't go back. Caught in the middle, trying to be something we're not. Standing all alone in an empty zone. Why do we always have to feel halfway? Stuck in a circle, wondering if we'll ever leave. And now it's time to break a few rules. Do what we want and not what they choose. Caught in the middle of everything, holding back all our dreams. We're not too old and not too young. We're just in between. Wishing we could be not tied down but free. Is this a place where we can only